Welcome to our series on computer world terminologies and concepts. Today we're diving into SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is the practice of improving your website to make it more visible in search engine results. When someone searches for something on Google or other search engines, SEO helps ensure your website appears higher in those results. The better your SEO, the more organic traffic you'll get to your website. SEO is built on four main foundations that work together. First is on-page SEO, which includes optimizing your content, keywords, titles, meta descriptions, headers, and internal links directly on your website. Second is off-page SEO, which involves backlinks, brand mentions, social signals, and building authority outside your site. Third is technical SEO, which focuses on site speed, mobile friendliness, how search engines can crawl your site, indexing, and security. Finally, user experience plays a crucial role. This includes core web vitals, smooth navigation, accessibility for all users, and keeping visitors engaged on your pages. Keyword research is your foundation for SEO success. Start by finding relevance. Identify keywords that align with your business, your audience, and your mission. Next, analyze search volume. Check how many people are actually searching for these keywords and prioritize the opportunities that aren't too competitive. Assess difficulty. Evaluate how much competition exists for each keyword and choose ones you can realistically rank for. Check search intent. Understand what searchers actually want. Are they looking for information, trying to navigate somewhere, or ready to make a purchase? Analyze your competition. Study what keywords your competitors are targeting and find gaps in their strategy. Finally, use professional tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest to make this process easier and more accurate. Creating quality content is essential. Remember EEAT: expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Search engines now prioritize content from real experts. Use keywords naturally throughout your content, especially in titles and headers, but never force them in a way that sounds unnatural. Write strong headlines that include your target keywords early, use action words, and match what people are actually searching for. Prioritize readability. Use short sentences, simple language, add subheadings to break up text, use bullet points, and include images or videos. Don't forget about meta tags. Optimize your title tags and meta descriptions because these appear in search results and directly affect how many people click through to your site. Finally, add multimedia. Images, videos, and infographics enhance both engagement and relevance for search engines. Technical SEO ensures search engines can properly access and understand your website. Start with crawlability. Submit your XML sitemaps, optimize your robots.txt file, fix crawl errors, and manage your crawl budget so search engines can efficiently explore your site. Focus on site speed. Minimize unnecessary CSS and JavaScript, optimize image sizes, enable caching, and reduce server response time. Make sure your site is mobile first. Use responsive design, ensure fast loading on mobile devices, and create touch-friendly navigation. Monitor core web vitals using tools like PageSpeed Insights and Google Search Console. These measure largest contentful paint, interaction to next paint, and cumulative layout shift. Implement HTTPS security. Use an SSL certificate to protect user data and establish canonical tags to prevent duplicate content issues. Finally, create clean URL structures. Use readable URLs with keywords, avoid duplicate pages, and fix any broken links that waste search engine crawl budget. Local SEO helps businesses get found in their geographic area. Start by claiming and optimizing your Google business profile with accurate business name, address, phone number, correct business categories, and high-quality photos. Target local keywords by using location-based search terms like plumber in your city or near me searches. Build local citations by listing your business on Yelp, Apple Maps, local business directories, and industry-specific directories, making sure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent everywhere. Encourage customer reviews on Google and respond to them promptly, whether positive or negative, to build trust and reputation. Create location-specific content. Write pages, blog posts, and information about local events that matter to your community. Finally, build local links by partnering with local organizations, sponsoring community events, and getting mentioned on local news sites and business resources. Performing a regular SEO audit keeps your site in top condition. Step 1. Run a site crawl using tools like Screaming Frog or SEMrush to crawl your entire site and identify technical issues. Step 2. Check your indexation status in Google Search Console. Look for indexed versus excluded pages and fix anything blocking your pages from being indexed. Step 3. Find and fix broken links, 404 errors, redirect chains, and other crawl errors that hurt user experience. Step 4. Analyze page speed with Page Speed Insights and identify performance problems affecting your rankings. Step 5. Test mobile usability. Make sure your site responds properly on mobile devices, loads quickly, and has touch-friendly navigation. Step 6. Review your keywords and content. Check that your title tags, meta descriptions, H1 tags, and keyword optimization are all working correctly. Ongoing monitoring is critical to SEO success. Use Google Search Console to monitor your impressions, clicks, rankings, crawl errors, and mobile usability issues. Use Google Analytics to track organic traffic from search engines, user behavior on your site, conversions, and which pages perform best. Monitor your keyword rankings over time using ranking tools like SEMrush, RFs, or Moz to identify trends and see if your rankings are improving. Keep a close eye on core web vitals using Page Speed Insights to measure page experience metrics and optimize accordingly. Track your backlinks with professional tools to monitor new links you've earned, referral traffic coming from those links, and your overall domain authority. Finally, establish key performance indicators or KPIs. Set baseline metrics when you start, monitor changes month to month, and report on your organic search growth and return on investment. Regular monitoring helps you identify what's working and what needs improvement.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.